Hi everyone, my name is Liane and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am a mid-sized mum of two and I am on a journey of self-acceptance, body positivity, and I would love for you to come join me. On my channel you will see lots of hauls, lots of come shopping with me. Gone are the days where we are waiting to lose weight to wear the clothes we want. Gone are the days. I want to show you how you can also just live your best mid-sized life. We are going to have some serious fun when it comes to fashion. So come join me. Join me on my shopping trips, join me on my hauls, see how things fit on me, learn how to be a lot more positive in the way you see yourself. It's a journey, but it is definitely a day-by-day self-care change of mindset that I'm developing, and I would love to share that with you. It is good on this side. It is so good on this side. We're going to be a bit more daring. We're going to show the mid-drift. Regardless of our size, it's not about the size, it's about the style, and it's definitely about the confidence. So if that's something that's of interest of you, then definitely click that, wherever it's placed, click that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.